Chocolate is a tasty and important part of Belgium's economy, and no visit to the country would be complete without sampling some of the goods. In Brussels, I'm getting an introduction to the diversity of Belgian chocolate with Laurent Gerbaud, a top chocolatier. In his workshop and cafe, Gerbaud invites the public to learn about and help make a variety of chocolates. One of his personal specialties is chocolate accented with spices, dried fruits, and nuts to combine salty and sweet flavors. It smells so good in here, and it looks so good. There's so much chocolate.
Yeah, always try to mix just two ingredients, one chocolate, one fruit, or one chocolate, one spice. I like to make it very simple and addictive. So you have one, you need another one.
Well, I will definitely have more than one, so what should we try first?
The blend of the house, we call them aromatic cacao. They're very, very fruity, very powerful, very long-lasting taste. And once you're used to this, it's like going from cheap wine tasting vinegar to very expensive wine with a fantastic taste.
So you're spoiling me now with this really good, really expensive chocolate. That means I'm gonna have to be calling you or coming back to Belgium.
Yes, that's the purpose.
Okay, let's try it. That's some good chocolate. It has a really, really rich flavor.
Yeah, and there's nothing added. It's really pure cacao.
All right, what should we try next?
It's Persian cranberries, and you must first take off one berry, you chew it, and with the saliva you will rehydrate it. So it's only at that time that you have the taste, and then you take the chocolate.
It's a little tart, a little sweet. It's really good.
Alors, the last one to try, you can call it orgasmic chocolate. An hazelnut cream with Piemonte hazelnut.
It's a hazelnut explosion.
Yes, and it's very long lasting also. It's like 1 minute, 2 minutes.
That's my favorite.
Great.
So far. But I have to explore.
Yeah, we go to the shop.
Yeah.